Okay, so I'm Rudolf Koch. I'm a technical marketing specialist in technology for Inteligro. We're a fertilizer distributor in South Africa. We're starting to focus on a total solution package rather than just maybe chemical, and moving into the biological sphere now as well. One of our goals for the year is to become a big player in the biological solution market for South Africa, and as well using technology to facilitate the process and to give a better service to our clients at the end. I think for us a big problem we had was finding the problem in the field, because farmers are getting bigger by the day, more fields, more rows to walk through, and it's just impossible for a guy to do that on his own. And I think we've identified technology and the use of drone and satellite technology to help us firstly find those problems much quicker and pinpoint them and find a solution for that area, for that problem. Well, I think it's all about speed for us. It's all about early identification. The sooner you find the problem, the less it's going to cost you to fix it. And that's what it's all about at the end of the day. And I think touching on artificial intelligence, the sooner you can start collecting data and in a usable format, the better it is for the AI that you want to implement in your farm one day, or today. I think that's the big thing to take away. That's the point I'm trying to make with everybody within our company as well. Is we need to structure our data, collect it in a usable way, and then AI is going to help us a lot in the future.
I think it's very important. We really see the technology as a way of differentiating ourselves from the competition in the field. Maybe not as much as everybody's trying to jump onto it, but I think we want to be the guys known for using it properly and making an actual difference with it. We actually had a discussion about this earlier, and where we see technology within the company, and we don't see ourselves as a technology company. That's what you guys do, but we see technology as an integral part of our offering to the farmers to make better recommendations on the farm level. Well, for us at the moment, it's all about identifying the problem and where the problem is, and getting our agents to use that data in the field to rather than how it works at the moment is the guys do farm visits, and it's a lot of the times it's shot in the dark. They drive through the farm and they walk through the orchards and try and find something. If they find something good, if they don't, then nothing happens. So how we use Aerobotics is the farmers do the monitoring on it, or they use the identification with stress with NDVI, and our agents can then come onto the farm, check the data, and go directly to the problem area and save time like that, and then make recommendations for how to fix the problem, identify the problem as well, and try and make a good recommendation to solve it. I would tell them there's no harm in starting to do your monitoring and collecting data in a proper way and in a usable way. I was recently at the Artificial Intelligence Expo for Africa, and one of the big messages that came out of there was start collecting data in a proper format that is usable and reliable. The more data you have, the better the AI is going to work for you. So I think before you even start thinking of AI, AeroView already has advantages it can give to the farmer. For me, the monitoring side of things is a perfect example of that. They can already use it, they can already get results, and use that data in their decision making. So I think if they're hesitant about AI and they don't see what it holds in for us yet, it's already beneficial for them just to start collecting data in a usable way through Aerobotics.